Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the brand new Nomad Cosmetics Fairy Tale Europe palette to share with y'all today. Does that not just scream fairy tales and dreams come true in that beautiful castle? Loving the artwork, but let's take a peek inside this 18 pan palette. What a beauty she is. I think you're definitely getting fairy tale vibes from this one. In this particular palette, let me tell you, see if I can hold it up straight, but let me tell you exactly the makeup of this palette. You're going to be getting 6 matte shades, 9 traditional shimmer shadows, and 3 multi-chromes. I am just in awe of the pink with the gold, and then you have some nice neutrals at the bottom row down here. I think it all just looks really, really pretty. I'm wearing black and blue to work today, so I'm going to be creating 2 looks. I may or may not wear both the looks all day. We'll see, but I am so excited to dive into this one. Thank you so much to the Nomad team for sending me this palette in PR. I really appreciate it. Shortly after you watch this video, if you watch it when I upload it, the palette will drop. It drops on March 10th. If you're CST, it drops at 11:01 p.m. Now, if you're EST, it drops on Tuesday, March 11th at 12:01 a.m. EST. So just be mindful of that. This is going to be a permanent in their collection. It is not limited edition. I don't have an exact price point, but most Nomad Cosmetics palettes retail from $45 to $55. And I do have an affiliate discount code of Steff10 that will save you 10% off of your order. I am very excited for this one. I also want to mention, and I do this with every palette because Nomad does this with every palette, they always give back to a charity. There's always a cause or something unique that they donate to that is representative of the palette from where, you know, the inspiration has come from. In this particular case, they sent out this really nice little book, tells the story, everything, but it also has in here at the very end, it tells you the cause. It says, we are proud to support UNESCO World Heritage Center that helps preserve heritage sites around the world that like the inspiring European castles. One of these days, I'll be able to go see a real life castle in Europe, but for now, I'll just live it out through this Nomad palette right here, Fairy Tale Europe palette. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. Hello there. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I love doing multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, haul videos, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds fun to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan, a Nomad, who isn't? Please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything I will be referencing. Some of those links and codes might be affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started with look number 1 using this new Nomad palette. If you guys want to see this palette perform, I'm also doing a 10-hour wear test. Keep on watching. Okay, so I just primed my lids with my Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. I am just so anxious. We have so many shimmers. We have 2 rows of shimmers, 10 different shimmers, first top 2 rows, and then we have the row of mattes at the bottom. I think that's a pretty nice layout. I'm gonna start here with this shade right here. This one is called, and forgive me if I mispronounce anything, uh, it's something castle, okay? So I'm gonna start with this one, and then I might work my way to the black over here. We'll see, but for sure, let's start with this one in the transition area. And for this shade, I'm using a Refer 15 to apply. Now I am going to dip into the matte black with my Refer 13 for the outer corner. Just have a nice foundation here so we can showcase these beautiful shimmer shadows. I'm going to try and use 2 different shimmers on the lid. Yeah, I think that looks perfect. Now I'm going to use my Gourmand Girl Shimmer Primer just to apply a little bit of this to the lid. Okay, so I'm dying for the pink. I'm dying also for the blue, but we'll save the blue for another shade. I think I'm gonna do, I definitely want to try the pink first. So I'm gonna go in with this one. I love the imprints. It's like a little carriage, and some of them are roses. They're just all so, so pretty. And I'm just applying here. Ooh, I see a green also that I think could look gorgeous. Now I'm going to flip my brush. I think I am going to dip into this one. This is a beautiful green gold shade. And we'll put that here. Look at how sparkly these shadows are. Wow. We could even do one more, which I'm thinking maybe this one. Yeah, let me pick up this one with my finger. Oh, this is, I think, a multi-chrome. These feel so buttery smooth. I'm gonna put that right here where the two meet. Good call. I love that. I'm just gonna deepen up the crease a little bit, and then we'll move on to the lower lash line. Now for the lower lash line, thinking maybe should I do a shimmer shadow? I feel like that might be a little too much. I think I'm gonna go in with this next shade over here. This one is Chateau de Chambord. So we'll go in with that one for the lower lash line. And I'm using my What's Up Beauty R107. And I think the shade that I placed with my finger is the one that we'll use for the inner corner. And I'm just using the same brush. This is definitely a multi-chrome, this shade, and it is a beautiful one. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I really like it. I'm using Moira Black Liquid Liner for the top lash line. I'm using the latest mascara from L'Oreal, the Paradise Big Deal. I have really been enjoying this one. And for the lower waterline, an LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner, or lip liner, I should say, in the shade Pop. And it pops. I love it. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. All right, so for look number 2, I think, I don't know how I'm feeling about this shade right here. I guess I can try it. The shade is called, I don't know. It's like a grayish shade. And I'm using a Refer 27. And I'm going to kind of focus this like all over the lid and also in the crease. I know that looks like a really nice color. Now that I see it on, I think that looks really good. It's like more of a cool tone. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the black to it in the outer corner using my Refer 13. I'm going to just draw that down towards the lash line as well. These shadows are really easy to blend out. They really are buttery smooth and they're buildable. I'm really liking it. So far, this palette is performing exceptionally well. All right, now I'm going to go in with Gourmand Girls Shimmer Primer for the lid. And now we are definitely going to play with this beautiful blue, but I also want to play with that one as well. So let's try this one first. Do this out here. I'm using my Morphe M709. All right, we're off to a great start. I'm flipping the brush over to go in with that next teal shade. So pretty. And yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna leave both looks on today. I do have a couple meetings, but one of them is just a sateen meeting, and another one is it could be a Zoom. So yeah, it's no big deal. I think I'll be all right. I'm getting a little bit of fallout though. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of the black shade just to tidy up in here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna go back with this shade. And so the only matte shade I wouldn't have used would be this one and this one. So, but I don't doubt that they're not any good. So let me go back with this shade. Using my Refer 03. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this shade right here. I'm gonna add it right here to the center. Same thing that I did on the first look, but just to kind of tie it all together. And then I'm going to take the same shade and put it on the inner corner. And with that, I believe this look number 2 is complete. Ooh, I love it. I already know what I'm going to put in the waterline, lower waterline. Do you know? Comment down below if you know which blue eyeliner I'm going to use. I will be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline, Give by Gwen Stefani in the shade Bathwater. I know you all would have guessed that one because it's my favorite blue eyeliner and I don't have much left of it. So loving while I have it, and I love both of these looks. I'm going to be wearing these for the next 10 hours, so when I get home from work, I will show you guys what they look like and if I got any fallout. I have gotten a little bit of fallout while I've been creating the looks, but nothing major. But I anticipate both looks are going to hold up, but we shall see. I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so I did end up wearing both looks to work today, 10 hours later, and this is what they're looking like. I got a little bit of fallout on this side, the left side, versus over here, the right. I love the looks I was able to create with Fairy Tale Europe. I love the artwork. And then, of course, I love the color story. I think that Nomad Cosmetics did a beautiful job with this color story. I like the neutral row of mattes at the bottom, and then we have 10 beautiful shimmers and multi-chromes at the top to play with. Definitely a more shimmer heavy palette. And if that's what you are into right now, then this might be the palette for you. It's bright, it's fun, it's colorful, but that neutral row at the bottom really helps to just ground the palette a little bit better, especially for those of you who really aren't into creating a lot of colorful looks. This might help you step outside of your comfort zone. Don't forget that it drops tonight at 11:01 p.m. CST. Today is March the 10th when I'm filming this video, and also the day that it drops. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. Let me know if Fairy Tale Europe is going to be finding its way into your stash. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.